Vending machines in schools. These colorful boxes, full of America's favorite treats, are adding to our country's humongous childhood obesity epidemic. Yes, the foods in these vending machines are causing our country's kids to become obese at an alarming rate. Some would say, obesity, it's no problem. It's good to have a little meat on your bones. Here, kid, have another bag of chips. Obesity is as deadly as smallpox, AIDS, or malaria. Although obesity does not kill as fast as they do, it takes many moons and many candy bars until it becomes deadly. Obesity causes diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. What is the solution to vending machines in schools? Some would say, remove them from the picture completely. But is this the right approach? Vending machines are not the problem. The junk food in them is. A common treat in many vending machines are honey buns. This delicious snack is only 600 calories, and really it's not that filling. That is about 25% of what nutritionists recommend for daily calories to maintain your weight. If you want to lose weight, it is half of what you're supposed to consume a day. The best solution is not to remove the vending machines, but to remove the unhealthy food that is in them. Instead, fill them with fruits, granola bars, or other healthy treats. Nutritionists also recommend eating 6 times a day, 3 main meals, and 3 snacks in between. This speeds up the metabolism, which makes the body more efficient at burning calories. So what could be done to solve this problem? Go to your school board members or your principals and express your concerns to them. I'm sure you're not the only one in your community that care about the well-being of your children.
Swift as the coursing rail.